Hey there guys, I'm back again, and I'm kind of in a hurry because the baby is finally sleeping. I'm home alone with the baby right now, and I kind of want to do this, in between because I'm going to have to leave the house, I'm going to have to get groceries, and I want the baby to sleep, to be, pooped out. Okay, but today we're gonna unbox the Styletone box because it's long overdue. This is the Styletone box from October. This is don't fall. This is the inside of the box, and we got a new kind of booklet because look at this. See? This is awesome. Okay, so let's just start off with the first thing that is not in the bubble wrap, which is surprising because it's glass. I would have figured this would be the first thing to be in bubble wrap, but okay. This is from Pays Peas. This is a nourishing oil for cuticles and nails. This is what that little sucker looks like. Now let's check out the booklet. Oh, it's the last one. So the little oil from Pays Peas, whatever, still nobody has mentioned in the comment section down below how to freaking pronounce this brand. I always have a hard time pronouncing brands, so just know I'm gonna butcher every single brand name that comes along. Okay, so Pays Peas, whatever, oil, the worth is 29 euros. Holy smokes, 29 euros, 30 bucks for this? I don't know about that. We'll just have to wait and see. And I see something, and I think it's a lip palette, but I'm not really sure because I can't really see. Oh no, it's actually not a lip palette. It's an eyeshadow palette from Styletone, the Velvet Touch. It's sealed, and I love these colors, so I'm gonna get it out of the seal. This is what that sucker looks like. Like, this is so perfect for fall. These colors are amazing during fall time right now. I am really into this. I'm definitely going to play around with this little sucker. I've had the other little makeup palettes that we received from Styletone, and honestly I gave them away. I have been using them, but I end up giving them away because my standard of eyeshadows is definitely up there with Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Because say what you will about Jeffree Star and the whole drama and the whole situation that's going on right now, but the dude knows makeup, okay? He has like one of the highest ends of makeup, and I'm talking like up there with Natasha Denona. Like, yes, I'm gonna say it, the quality of the eyeshadows is so freaking good that for me personally it is up there with Natasha Denona. But Natasha Denona charges like hundreds of bucks for her palettes when Jeffree's is around 50, 60, 70 euros. So that's a big difference, and the quality is amazing. So, all of these palettes were good, but like I said, that's my new standard. So that's kind of why I end up giving them away. Like I said, I am going to play around with this and just see what it does. So it's the first one. Styletone palette is worth 17 euros and 92 cents. Okay, let's move on. What's this? This is a black gold mask with real gold and charcoal. It's a purifying mask from Vita Masks. This is what that little sucker looks like. When I look in the viewfinder, it kind of turns purple, but it's not purple because it's like a really dark blue. Yeah, now you can see it a little bit better. It's not purple. Always happy with the mask. Y'all know that. I like to have my spa days at home where I do like the nose strips and the scrubs and the masks and the lip masks and you name it, and then just a long hot shower. I love it. So let's check out the booklet. Number 3 from Vita Masks. So this purifying black gold mask is worth 6 euros and 77 cents. Okay, so far so good in this particular box. There are 2 more items in here, so let's just grab them both. One of these items is from Lord & Berry, and I love Lord & Berry personally. I love especially their pencils, like their eye pencils. I love them. So this is from Lord & Berry. It's the cream blush. Isn't this just like regular blush? Wow, no, it's actually a cream blush. Okay, wow, whoa. that is buttery. Okay, now I put my finger in there, but sorry. Hopefully you guys are able to see that. But this is buttery. So let's see. Whoa. Okay, yeah, this definitely, I'm not really sure if you guys can see that, but it is definitely pigmented. Oh, wow, that's a beautiful color. I'm actually wearing a cream blush today, even though I'm not really into cream products. I am wearing a cream blush today, and I like it. One that we received in these booklets, wow, in these boxes as well. I think it was actually even the Styletone box. I'm not really sure, but or was it the goodie box? Oh, it might have been the goodie box. A couple of months ago, I remember I was still pregnant at the time. No, I'm lying. I wasn't pregnant at the time. No. I wasn't pregnant. I actually had just given birth. That's what it was. But I really enjoyed this color. Amazing. As y'all know, I love me a good coral color blush. So from Lord & Berry, the cream blush is worth 29 euros. And as far as I can tell, you could get 3 different colors. I wouldn't have mind the pink one or the like really, hopefully you guys are able to see that, but the really red one. I wouldn't have mind that one either, but I'm very happy with the coral one because those blushes I definitely use most. Okay, up to the last item, which is from Hot Makeup, and it's the Red Carpet Ready Lipstick, Vivid Lip Color in the color Hints of Fantasy. I'm not really sure what color that is. Hold on, let me check in the booklet if we could get multiple colors or if it's just one color. No, wow, we could get a hell of a range of colors. I will be honest and say, hopefully I didn't get one of these colors because they're all freaking brown. Y'all know I am wearing brown today. Okay, it's fall. I love wearing brown in fall, but I have so freaking many brown lipsticks that enough's enough. I definitely hope to get this coral tone, but I wouldn't mind the pink or the purple ones, especially like the lavender color one. That's like a weird color. I love it. But let's just vote for the coral. I'm not really sure whether or not that is the color. Oh shoot, no, okay, I got the full-on purple one. So this is what that sucker looks like. I kind of really want to swatch it, but at the same time, I'm not really sure if I'm going to use this particular color. So for now, I'm just not going to swatch it. It wasn't sealed, by the way. That's why I'm opening it because, well, I opened it. I can't really give it away. You know what? Screw it. Let's just see what it does, okay? Oh, wow. I'm actually glad I swatched this. Nope, I'm keeping this color for myself. So this is what that sucker looks like. I know it never really comes up on camera like the way it does in real life, but it's gorgeous. I love it. So I'm happy I swatched it right now because I'm definitely going to keep this for myself. I love it. So Hot Makeup, the lipstick is the Red Carpet Ready lipstick, costs 13 euros. Okay guys, and that is it for this month's box. What do I think? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items, and you know what? I dig this box so much. I personally think this is the best Styletone box of the year 2020. I love the lipstick, hella excited for the blush, but also extremely excited for this palette. I'm definitely going to play around with this. This is so perfect for fall, and maybe I'll keep it for myself, maybe I'll give it away. I don't know. We'll see, but as far as I can tell right now, I think I'm going to keep it. So I love this. I love this box. Okay, guys, let me know in the comment section down below. What do you guys think about this month's box? Don't forget to enter my giveaway. Look it up somewhere in my videos. I always host a giveaway, and this giveaway is so close to ending. So make sure that you, your mother, your sister, your brother, your father, your grandma, your dog subscribes to my channel, because the sooner I reach 600 subscribers, the sooner we're going to give away that satchel, and a new giveaway will start. And I'm really hoping to finishing up this giveaway as soon as possible because I have something so freaking cool planned, especially now with the holidays. I don't know if I'm going to make that mark. Honestly, I doubt it, but it would be so freaking awesome if we could. So yeah, make sure to first end this giveaway until the next giveaway can start, and that one is going to be something so freaking special for the holidays, because I don't know if this thing that I'm going to give away, I don't know if it's available anymore, but I do know that here in Europe especially, it is quite tricky and hard to get your hands on. So that's all I'm going to say right now. Check out the giveaway. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.